and we're in business. Go ahead, cross over. Keep focus on that target. Point both your hands out there. Get a big powerful jump in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bungee. Oh!
Good.
Yeah, man, use your hands, touch the bridge. Go ahead, stand up nice and tall for me. Give me 1 second, right? Actually, hold on right there. Perfect. And go ahead, cross on over. Jump. What do you think, man? You like it? It's fun, huh?
Yeah.
So you did manage to flip over?
Yeah.
You want to do backwards next?
Yeah.
All right, so let me help her out. And then
Okay.
It's our turn. So the faster we do it, the easier it is to accomplish. So you got you back here.
It's so fun. Keep your eyes open. I know. Of course.
Yeah, listen, you want to go quickly, it's going to be worth it. You just need to dedicate yourself. So you're nice and secure, you're safe. I want you to focus on the target. So it's like, oh, we can do that. Take care of everything else. You focus on the target. Exactly, that's the one. So I want your hands in front. Good jump. You're looking great. You're doing perfect. Big jump. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The only way you're going to get hurt is by holding on. That's why you're reaching for the thing. So I want you to keep your hands in front. Okay? So you're in that direction. Big jump. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Do it!
You got it! Just go!
Just go, just jump! Who cares?
Jump, don't think about it. It's worth it, okay? Big jump. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Focus, big jump. Hands in front for me.
Look, just
You can try it. No. Focus on Nicole. She's gonna help you out. Let's try backwards. It'll be a bit easier. 4, 3, 2, 1.
literally how I'm gonna look. Oh my goodness.
Alright, I think pretty much when it comes to your turn, we'll line you up in this direction. Just jump up as high as you can. For you, you might even be able to touch the bridge. Yeah, don't use your hands. You're having a GoPro.
Sell it for me. You gotta lean over and watch me when I jump over.
I will, man.
Alright.
You gotta keep eye contact with me all the way down. Not everybody holds it.
Yeah, I know.
Go ahead, grab the rope.
So you're gonna do backwards next?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have you practice on this side. Stand right here.
Look at the end.
Hands right there. Heels off the edge.
Connect to the D-ring.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cool. The higher up you are, the better drop it.
Okay.
All right, hands out. Coming up.
Ready for the bridge.
You're good, you're good. Watch out with your hands.
For 4 diving.
Very good job, you're back.
Up and out.
You survived.
Alright, if you go up on a 4 dive, you're not going to have a chance to really get.
I just want to make sure you don't bump into anything. Okay, watch out with your knees.
Yeah, just.
Alright, go ahead, step onto the platform right over here. Very good job.
I see a lot of
I know, it's a little bit more difficult. But you did a good job.
If you put your toes like on the edge.
Yeah.
Good job.
Too strong.
Thank you.
Right there. Go ahead, start crossing over. Nicole's gonna help you out. Line up.
Camera's still going.
Camera's going. The hands are gonna go right here over the bumper. Perfect. Turn your body to face me. Going that way, okay? Just so we can practice on this side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Fucking nuts, man.
Top for me. Very good. Easy, right?
It's gonna be a lot more dangerous.
Go ahead, cough him
Man,
Not too bad.
I took the shot. That's really cool.
Nicole will help you.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Alright,
And that backwards
I
one.
didn't get your first video.
That's fine.
I think I got good snapshots of you.
Yeah.
The second one was much harder to actually get you
Richard?
from the bridge.
Yeah.
You should have gone to the side.
The backwards jump, that shit hurts your groin, man.
Oh, does it?
Hey, gee, thanks. I really appreciate that.
Richard, turn. How'd it go?
Good, but
Did you feel that one? Oh,
that was
Which
bad.
one was better?
well, sorry about that.
That was bad.
Meet me over there and then I'll help you.
You're a good friend. I'm afraid I'll accidentally slip. Then it ruins